Welcome to Essential Tools for an Unforgettable Camping Adventure. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or a first-time camper, having the right tools can make all the difference in your camping experience. Before you head out into the wilderness, it's crucial to have a comprehensive checklist to ensure you have all the necessary tools. Let's dive into the essential tools you need for a successful camping trip. First on our list is a reliable tent. Look for a sturdy, waterproof tent that can accommodate your camping party comfortably. Consider the number of people, weather conditions, and the ease of setup. Once your tent is up, it's time to focus on campsite safety. A multi-tool is a versatile tool that combines various functions such as a knife, pliers, screwdriver, and more. It's an indispensable tool for various tasks, from repairing gear to cutting rope or opening cans. Next, a reliable camping stove is essential for cooking delicious meals in the great outdoors. Look for a lightweight portable stove that runs on propane or butane fuel. It should have a stable base, adjustable heat settings, and be easy to clean. To ensure your safety during nighttime activities, a good quality headlamp is indispensable. It provides hands-free illumination, allowing you to move around the campsite, prepare meals, or explore the surroundings after dark. Keeping warm and comfortable is crucial during chilly nights. A high-quality sleeping bag and an insulated sleeping pad are essential. Choose a sleeping bag suitable for the temperature range you'll encounter and opt for a sleeping pad that provides cushioning and insulation from the cold ground. Another vital tool for any camping trip is a reliable water filtration system. Access to clean drinking water is crucial for your well-being. Look for a lightweight water filter or purifier that removes bacteria, protozoa, and other contaminants from natural water sources. Lastly, don't forget about navigation tools. A compass and a detailed map of the area are essential for orienteering and avoiding getting lost. Familiarize yourself with the map and use the compass to navigate and stay on track. Remember, these are just a few of the essential tools for a successful camping trip. Depending on your specific needs and the activities you plan to engage in, your checklist may vary. But with the right tools in hand, you'll be well prepared for a memorable and enjoyable camping adventure. Thank you for watching. Hope these tips and tools will help you make the most of your next camping trip. Stay safe and happy camping.